Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Mullen stock, and look what's happening today. The stock broke another demand level that I had at 10 cents 65. Now it's down to exactly 10 cents. And as I said, if they're not delivering anything to Randy Marion, rest assured the stock is going down to 6 cents. And I'll prove to you guys that this stock dilution is being done by the two warrant holders that were there. Let me show you guys, okay? There was 178 million shares warrant that were exercised on March 7th. On March 10th, there was 338 million share warrant was exercised. You know how much does total come out to? 517 million shares, okay? From March 7th. And if you look at from March 7th, what's happening with the stock? It's steady coming down. And I made a video almost 2 weeks ago, which I made a video about it 2 days ago, explaining what I said in that video, saying that, okay, the stock is coming down because look, there's nothing here financially. The stock is, needs to, be at $1 right now. Financially, it's not there. No investors are willing to invest in the company. Second, you have your CFO, right? Selling the stock. Accounting firm doesn't want to do business with you. The accounting person, the manager she left the firm. With that being said, there's a lot of drawbacks with the company right now, and which is why I made a video 2 weeks ago saying that stock is going down to 10 cents. This is exactly what's happening right now, right? With that being said, what's happening today? Why is the stock going down? The problem is, let's look at the order flow. You see how the small is 32%, guys? This is us, retail investors, all right? Medium is the brokerage firms, 23%. Large is the institution. If the smart money is not coming into play, forget about the stock, okay? It's not going anywhere. I can guarantee you that, because there is 517 million shares inventory was sitting from March 7th. And where's it going to go? It's going to go to retail investors. Whoever wants the stock to buy, well, they got it for you to sell to you, right? I am not promoting fear, uncertainty, and doubt. All I'm saying is that I'm also in the stock heavy, all right? I do want the stock to go up, but when I got into the stock, I did not get into the stock at 22 cents. I got into the stock, actually, believe it or not, at 10 cents 65, because this is the level I was hoping that, okay, you know what, maybe this is the lowest we could get, and then we're going to bounce off of that. Now, the thing is, this week is going to be crucial. Again, I'm in it because, I have my stop loss set already to 7 cents, but with that being said, all I'm saying is if they do not deliver anything this week, and if it's delayed, forget about the stock. Is going down to 7 cents, which I have my stop losses on 7 cents. As far as the volume is concerned, there's no shortage on the volume. 405 million shares traded. This is a double what's the usual averages. Average is about 224 million. 405 million shares are traded, but stock price is dipping. Right? That means a lot of folks are coming out. Even the short interest is not that high, right? It's nobody's sitting here trying to short this. Like BBY, for example, Bed Bath & Beyond short interest is 71%. Mullen's short interest is only 8.8%. So it's like nobody here trying to short the stock, guys. This is what is going on. These two warrants, they were the killers. That's what killed it. There was no insider activity. There was nothing. Even David Mysteries, whatever he did, I made the video about that as well, like a month ago. He did not sell a lot of shares, okay? And you could check out that video. I'll leave the link in the section. But even the CFO only sold 159,000. So it's not a lot of, there's no insider activity going on here. What is happening here? There were two big warrants which gave cash to David, and they got the shares, and those are the shares being sold to you, to retail investors. So be smart about that. I'm also in the stock, as I said, right? But I'm playing it smart. I have my stop losses set. Have your stop losses set. I can't give you financial advice. It's your money. But for now, it seems far off. But let's see what happens to the stock. I'm making videos on this daily. If you are looking for good levels that you want to trade on, and eventually when the stock becomes good, then of course you want to subscribe to the channel. And I have these levels here that I've been following the stock for a long time. And all these levels were used to be demand levels are now supply levels. Market is supply and demand. Okay, if you need something, if you need a share, and you have a supplier who is sitting with a lot of inventory, the price is not going to go up. He's just going to sell you right away with that same price. All right. If there's not enough supply and there's a lot of demand, then the price goes up. A lot of people are not understanding the simple fact of supply and demand. So there's a lot of supply right now available. We're waiting for that Randy Marion. If the Randy Marion delivery does not happen on March 31st, the stock is definitely going down to 7 cents. Hope you guys are liking these videos. Please don't hate the messenger. I'm just here to give you guys information. And of course, this is the same thing I would say to my family and friends. So please take it as a grain of salt. It's your money. And I'm not trying to give you financial advice. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.